The king cobra can stand up and look you in the eyes. Using up to 20 pounds of pure muscle to raise its body 4 foot off the ground. Like most cobras, it can flatten its ribs, extending the looser skin on its neck. This colossus can easily live for 20 years in the wild, growing up to 18 foot.
Not every warning comes with a strike, one of nature's most misunderstood predators.
Everything about the king is large, including its appetite and its venom load. One bite can kill an elephant in just 3 hours, a human in 30 minutes. But there's a reason for its deadliness. It's a voracious hunter of other big snakes. While known to feed on small venomous kraits and other cobras, they usually hunt down larger species, even giant pythons. This 10-foot rat snake is unaware it's being watched.